Hello friends, if you are trying to download Canara AI1 mobile banking app and you could not download it because there is a error of your device is not compatible with this version. So what's the reason behind this error and how can you solve it? So friends, and that's a common and frustrating error message, especially with your older mobile phone. The message your device is not compatible with this device usually means the app developer has set requirement that your phone does not meet. Okay, so you need so I think you need to replace your device with the latest feature. And this message, as I told you, this message often seen you are trying to download an app on Google Play Store means the software or hardware requirement for the app or program are not met by your device. Okay, so you can solve it by replace your device, and you can try some method. First is go to your phone setting and then go to the app or application which is in your app manager. Find the Google Play Store and tap on storage and cache. Tap clear cache and then clear storage. This will reset the Google Play Store, but you will not delete your app or personal data, and then restart your phone and trying to download it again. Okay, and the second method is go to the app listing page on the store and look for the developer contact information. Ask them for the exact minimum requirement for the app. They may be able to explain the specific reason of why your device is blocked. So if this method would not work, so you need to replace your device. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.